Welcome po sa BIMS App Tutorial 10. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang Financial Reports Management tile ng BIMS App. Ang Financial Reports Management module ay ginagamit para mag-generate ng official barangay financial reports based on recorded and consolidated data. Ito ang section kung saan pwedeng gumawa ng DBM-compliant reports tulad ng RAO, SOAOB, SBAA, and balance sheet. Sa main dashboard, makikita natin ang tile na Financial Reports Management. Kapag binuksan ito, dadalhin tayo sa Financial Report screen. Dito makikita ang Report Filter section. Ang user ay pipili muna ng fiscal year, then pipili ng report type. Available report types include RAO, SOAOB, SBAA, Trial Balance Viewer, and Balance Sheet. Ang RAO or Record of Appropriations and Obligations ay ginagamit para makita ang appropriations, obligations, and balances. Ang SOAOB or Statement of Appropriations, Obligations, and Balances ay another important financial report used for budget monitoring. Ang SBAA or Statement of Budget, Allotments, and Appropriations supports budget and appropriation reporting. Meron ding Trial Balance Viewer, which provides real-time financial insight through a table view. Unlike the official PDF reports, the trial balance is displayed on screen and helps users review account balances before finalizing reports. For RIO, SOAAOB, and SBAA, the system supports one-click PDF generation. Once the report type is selected, clicking the Generate Report button automatically opens the selected report in PDF format. The system also supports dynamic report switching. Ibig sabihin, nagbabago ang action depending on the selected report type. For example, RAO opens the RAO PDF, SOAOB opens the SOAOB PDF, and SBAA opens the SBAA PDF. Trial balance displays a table instead of generating a PDF. However, the balance sheet has its own separate controls. It does not use the same Generate Report button. Instead, it has a dedicated Generate Balance Sheet button and a Run Financial Diagnostics button. The balance sheet section displays the financial position of the barangay for the selected fiscal year. It summarizes assets, liabilities, and equity based on general ledger data. The Generate Balance Sheet button creates the official balance sheet report in PDF format. It uses general ledger entries and groups the data into assets, liabilities, and equity, following the standard accounting format. The Run Financial Diagnostics button is very important. It checks whether the balance sheet is mathematically correct by validating if assets equals liabilities plus equity. If there is an imbalance, the diagnostics can help identify missing or incorrect entries. There is also an opening equity initialization section. This initializes the opening equity of the barangay financial books for the selected fiscal year. The system calculates the difference between total assets and liabilities and posts the required balancing entry into the general ledger. This is important because opening equity must be properly initialized before generating accurate balance sheet reports. Sa right side, makikita ang Financial Reports Overview Help Panel and the Balance Sheet Generation and Diagnostics Guide. These guides explain what the section does, how reports are generated, how diagnostics work, and what must be checked before finalizing reports. The most important reminder is that all reports are generated from actual consolidated financial records, including ROE, general ledger, and budget data. Because of this, the accuracy of the reports depends on the accuracy of the recorded transactions. In summary, ang Financial Reports Management tile ay designed para makagawa ang barangay ng accurate, official, and audit-ready financial reports. It connects consolidated financial records, general ledger entries, budget data, report filters, PDF generation, trial balance review, balance sheet reporting, and diagnostics into one organized reporting workflow. Sa future how-to tutorials, pag-aaralan natin ang detailed steps tulad ng paano mag-generate ng RAO, SOAOB, SBAA, trial balance, balance sheet, paano mag-run ng Financial Diagnostics, and paano gamitin ang opening equity initialization. For now, ito muna ang overview ng Financial Reports Management tile. Pwede nyo rin pong subukan ang BIMS App mismo. Punta lang po kayo sa BIMS website portal, https://epfcomposite.com. Tapos, i-click ang Launch BIMS App button. Pagkatapos po, lalabas ang login page. Para makapag-login pansamantala, gamitin lang po ang login credentials na nakasulat sa itaas ng login page. Ang BIMS app po ay online daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for evaluation.